Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Smooth Jams 93.5 is where you're at, where the wigs don't slide back. Hey everybody, it's me. I love you guys. I wanted to do the unboxing for this Hairvivi unit on camera because the presentation is gorgeous. So in my box, I got some information on how to care for my wig. Also, happy 7th birthday. Shout out to you guys. 7 is my favorite number. I got an edge brush comb that comes with this stabby McStab feature and some clippity clips. So I opened up my bag and I'm like, okay, we're doing some math. What's 4 plus 4? Inside is this gorgeous, lovely chocolatey brown ombre goodness, golden warm tones, depth, dimension, beautiful. So let's get into my favorite part, which is the cap construction, because a good constructed cap will have your wig sitting comfortably and undetectable, okay? So as you can see, they have this lining that's sewed into the cap. It's a stretchy material and it gives the most beautiful illusion. It looks just like Scalp. It also has this anti-slip piano key elastic band, and I'm showing you the adjustable straps in the back. And on the nape of the neck, it has this nice fabric that's not going to catch your hair. So let me show you what this fake scalp feature does. There is no need to do a ball cap method. You don't need to hide anything. It has all been done for you. You could see very closely, I tried to get a close-up, that the knots are ridiculously perfectly bleached. The hairline is so natural and the lace is so invisible, it melts into my skin. I had a hard time when I was cutting this lace trying to figure out where in the world I was cutting because I couldn't see it because it matched my skin tone perfectly. The only thing that you have to do with this wig is you plop it on, you cut the lace, and you go. I did not engage the combs on this particular unit because I just wanted to wear the elastic band and that's it. And when I'm telling you, baby, that thing was secure, it was secure. The only thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to change up the part. I didn't really want the middle part, so I used a little bit of wax in my hot comb. I didn't want to add any curls. I didn't want to do nothing to this wig. It comes perfect. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. I put some mousse on my edges and I laid it down because that's the direction that I wanted my hair to fall once the mousse dried. I let the mousse set for like 10 minutes and then I took it off because I was ready to cut. It was so difficult for me trying to make sure that I did not cut the mess out of this wig because I could not see the lace from whatever angle I was looking at in the mirror. For some reason I had an issue, but that's it. The wig is done. It's already done for you. Everything is already everything. Okay, no glue, no spray, no got-to-be, no lace melting spray, no nothing. It's ready to go as soon as you cut that lace after you plop it on your head. So since it's already styled, to complete the look, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop some makeup on this face. You know, a lot of people ask me to do makeup tutorials. I used to do tutorials. I don't do them as much anymore because I feel like they take a lot of time. And also there was a time when people used to get all into what kind of blush you use and what kind of foundation. As far as I'm concerned, foundation is foundation. It doesn't matter the brand. You could use Pat McGrath or Wet n Wild, okay? It's all in the technique. The most important thing is your base. So hydration is the most important thing you could do for your skin, on your skin and inside your body. Internally, you need water. I'm getting older. I don't have any wrinkles yet. I don't have any problems. I'm still getting pimples like I'm a teenager, so I don't know what that's about. But you just want to make sure that when you're using a cleanser that you're finding the cleanser that does for you what it needs to do. I particularly like to double cleanse, so this is the foam cleaner that I use, and I like using a good cleansing balm or cleansing oil. I'm almost out of this one, it's sad. Afterwards, I like using some kind of toner, then I use an essence. This is a good one. Core 6 is a great brand. It keeps my skin really hydrated. I like to use a serum after I apply my essence, and I rub that in. Sometimes I use eye cream, sometimes I don't, and a good moisturizer. The most important thing in your skincare regimen has to be sunscreen. You gotta be consistent with it. Make sure that you wear it every day, okay? I might not put sunscreen on my body, it's going on my face. Do you hear what I'm saying? The next thing I do is I make sure I seal it all up with a good skin barrier cream. Also, I have like 50,000 face masks. So yeah, once you take good care of your skin and your skin's all hydrated and you spend time prepping the base like that, you can go ahead and you'll find that your products apply more smoothly. The end result will be more snatched. I'm trying to move away from powders. I'm trying to use more creams in everything that I use. Cream foundation, cream blush, cream bronzer. So once I complete my look, I add some lashes, and now I'm going to do a little wardrobe change, brush out this hair, and show you guys how beautiful it is. Like it's the hairline for me. Like that's crazy. That's crazy. And for it to be glueless, like, and the thing about it is, I've worn this hair now a couple of days. I take it off at night, I put it back on, it looks the exact same. I don't have to deal with gels, I don't have to lay down edges. Sometimes for my other units, I like to use a lace tint spray just to make it look that much more seamless, or to make my hairline blend in more. And or use makeup or something for the part, and you don't need that at all with this wig. When I take my glueless units off after I've used some kind of adhesive spray, like some Got to Be Glued or some kind of lace melting spray, you get the crusties, right? And then sometimes, you know how it be, you like, man, I gotta leave the house, let me go ahead and wet this mess with some water. You put some water on your fingers, y'all trying to do your edges and whatever, it might lift. You don't have to worry about that with this. Like, when I say wear and go, it's literally cut the lace and go. When you go on the website, you can see that you're dealing with a company that specializes in top tier product. Beautiful, beautiful unit from Hairvivi. Thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. I love y'all. Bye. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, a lot of crying, a lot of telling me I should be dying or be